Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how much Xfinity internet costs per month. Okay, so if you want to determine how much the Xfinity internet costs per month because you want to subscribe to any of the internet plans, here is how you can determine that. All right, so here you have the Xfinity internet speeds and plans. First off, let's know how much internet speed you need, which will enable you determine what kind of plan you can subscribe to per month. Now you need at least 25 Mbps download speeds and 3 Mbps upload speed to effectively stream, game, download, and zoom online with minimal slowdowns and buffering. But if you live with 3 or more people, you'd be better off the 100 Mbps download speeds and 10 Mbps upload speeds to support more users and bandwidth heavy tasks. Now let's head over to the plans and the pricings per month. So this is the Xfinity internet speeds and plans, which you can definitely work with. The first is Connect. So these are the packages, and you have speed, you have price, you have short plans. So the first package is the Connect package. The speed is 75 Mbps and it goes for $20 per month. The next package is Connect More, which has 200 Mbps speed, and the price is $35 per month. The next plan is Fast, and this Fast comes with 400 Mbps speed, and the price is $55 per month. The next package is Super Fast, which goes for 800 Mbps, and the price is $70 per month. The next is Gigabit, and the speed is 1 Gbps. That's crazy. And then the price is $80 per month. Of course, you know the next is the Gigabit Extra, which is 1200 Mbps, and it goes for $85 per month. Of course, the last package is the Gigabit X2, which has 2000 Mbps, and it goes for $120 per month. You can click on the Shop Xfinity plan for you to, go ahead with the process of making purchases. And how do you get to this website? Launch in the browser of your choice, and in the search bar type highspeedinternet.com/tools/speed-test/Xfinity, and it's going to take you to this page where you can now shop your Xfinity plans. So this is the prices, right? These are the packages, the speed, the prices, and the plans. You can even go ahead, write down from this page to see what you can do with each of the packages, right? So this is what you can do with each of the packages. So we have 0.5 Mbps, that's very slow. This is what you can do. You can send emails, search on Google, stream videos in SD on one device. And then you have the 5 to 40 Mbps, slow to moderate. You can stream video in HD or 3 or 4 devices, play online games. We have 40 to 100 Mbps, which is moderate to fast. You can stream easily on multiple devices in HD or 4K. That'll be fast, quickly run several smart devices. You have the 100 to 500 Mbps, which is very fast. You can stream in 4K or more than 5 devices simultaneously. Download massive fast quickly, host a live stream. You have the 500 to 1000 plus Mbps, which is extremely fast. Now you can stream in 4K on 10 plus devices, run 10 plus smart home devices at a time, and do basically anything on lots of devices. And of course, you have the 1200 to 5000 Mbps, which is faster than you need. Okay, now you can operate a big combining farm also with 24 computers. Now you can watch Frozen in 4K, crazy, on 100 devices at the same time. So this is pretty much this is pretty much where you can find the Xfinity prices per month, the Xfinity internet prices per month, and you can choose to subscribe when you want to. You can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.